Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Now click on bio. Type whatever you want your bio to be like. Or you also have an option to import bio from Instagram. Here I'm gonna import from Instagram. Now click on the right button on the top right corner. Similarly, click Done. And here you can see your bio just below the username. And that is how you can add bio on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.